This is the Seaflo Dry Bilge System 2.0, and today we're going to program it. Note that the system has 3 wires. It has a positive automatic, it has a negative, and a manual automatic. If you just want to turn the dry bilge on, then you can wire the brown wire to a switch, and then every time you turn on the switch, you turn on the dry bilge. The automatic wire wires the timer, and then the dry bilge is controlled by the timer. Here we have the timer. We can also turn on the dry bilge with the timer itself by pushing the manual button until we get to on and off. This is also how we switch between off and auto. Whenever the dry bilge is running, the red light will be on. The first thing we'll do is set the date and the time. Today is a Wednesday and it is 1:43. So I will set the time. You hold the clock position button down and push the day till you get to Wednesday, then the hour. 13, it's in military time, and then 41. And now the clock is set. To set the timer, we use the P button. We have 20 different timer entries. To get to the first one, here we have, when do we want the dry bilge to come on? Let's say that we want it to come on every day. We hit the day once, that brings up every day. Or we could have Monday, Tuesday, all the days, and we could have every other day. Or just Saturday and Sunday. Or Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. You get the idea. Just the days of the week. Now we have it on every day. And we'll make it go off at 2 o'clock every day for 5 minutes. So we hit the hour button until we get to 2 o'clock, which is 14 because it's military time. That is when it comes on. Now we'll hit the P button to tell you when it's going to come off. We have to do the same thing and make sure that we turn it off every day. And we start at 2 o'clock. And we'll hit the minute button for 5 minutes. Now we have it set for 5 minutes every day at 2 o'clock. Now we get to the second time entry, third, fourth, on and off. We can have as many as 20 of them. And if you don't want to cycle through all of them, just hit the clock button and it brings you back to current time. To check our programming, we hit P again. It comes on at 2 o'clock every day. Off at 2:05 every day. And we have nothing in any of the other entries. You can go through all of them, or again, hit the hour button to return home. And if you want to leave the dry bilge so it will operate, you have to put it in auto. Now it's in auto. So at 2 o'clock, this dry bilge will come on for 5 minutes. Editing our entry is equally as easy. We just hit the P button till we get to the entry that we want to edit. Let's say we want it to go for 10 minutes. So we'll start at 2 o'clock, same time, every day. Now we want to turn it off at 2:10. We just add 5 minutes here, and now we have it set to turn off at 2:10 every day. On at 2 o'clock, off at 2:10 every day. Hit the clock button to return back home.